And because the tape looks like the importance of being earnest. And was printed on October 28th, 2002. And from this movie, The Friends.
Coming soon to theaters.
Following previous after volunteers to the Motion Picture Association of America.
A flash of leg. The taste of temptation. The smell of corruption. And things that go bump in the night.
Slick your hair, wear your buckle shoes, and all that jazz.
Velma has it.
On a brand new start to do that jazz.
Roxy wants it.
All my life I wanted to have my own act.
That's great. We'll be in touch.
You know, I'm not quite finished yet.
Face it, Roxy, you ain't never gonna have an act.
You got connections.
I would have said anything to get a piece of that.
What you need is Billy Flynn.
He's never lost a case.
Billy can fix it.
My client feels that it was the combination of liquor and jazz which led to her downfall.
Hey, Mama, you're the Velma Kelly. I was there the night that you got arrested.
Yeah, you in half of Chicago. You couldn't buy that kind of publicity.
But in a city where everyone loves a legend, there's only room for one.
You want some advice? Keep your paws off my lawyer.
Sweetest little jazz killer ever to hit Chicago. That's the angle I'm after.
You were in the paper today, too. In the back, with the obituaries. They love me.
They love you a lot more if you're a hang. You know why? Because they sell more papers. That's Chicago.
Renee Zellweger, Catherine Zeta-Jones, and Richard Gere.
Are you guilty or not guilty?
Don't you want to take my picture?
Good night, folks.
That jazz.
Chicago. Now available on video and DVD.
Following previous after both on issues to the Motion Picture Association.
Hey, Mom, come on.
Good, you finally hit something. Edmond Dantes had a love
I missed you so.
that any man would envy.
As soon as I can afford the ring, we'll
I don't need a ring. I don't.
You're under arrest. I demand an explanation. It was you? Why are you doing this? It's complicated. I am innocent. You were a soldier. Teach me the knife, the sword.
Good. Too good.
He spoke of his game.
In return for your help, I offer something priceless. The treasure of Monte Cristo. Follow the clues.
You are wealthier than any man I have ever heard of. What do you want to buy? Revenge. I will change my identity. I shall become a count. Ladies and gentlemen, the Count of Monte Cristo. Death is still lies I suffered. I'm a goat. Not a saint.
The Count of Monte Cristo.
DVD and video. Following previous stats were both all issues of the Motion Picture Association America.
Pete Jones was a total unknown. Then his screenplay won Project Greenlight, the largest script contest in motion picture history, with 10,000 entries.
I walked out and I'm meeting Jay Leno, and there's Ben, and he's happy as can be.
And he got the green light to direct his movie for producers Ben Affleck, Matt Damon, Chris Moore, and Miramax Films. It's become a sensation on HBO, and now the movie is on DVD and video. Stolen Summer, starring Aidan Quinn, Bonnie Hunt, Kevin Pollak, Brian Dennehy.
Come here. Come here. Honey, I'm not going to hit you. I just want to tell you. You shouldn't talk like that.
Stolen Summer, the Project Greenlight movie.
Lord Maiden Bank. Come here, mister. Don't you talk like that, you little son of a... We're on our way to church.
Stolen Summer.
And now, our feature presentation.
This is a modified surgical version. It's performed after your TV.